the escalator, you'll see tables here. And this is the latest recipe in Meridien, KL. Let's check out the buffet, lunch buffet here. Selection of drinks, chocolate fondue, fruits, and desserts, all stored in cold temperature to maintain the quality of the fruits. Some delicacies here, salad, fresh, some other fresh salads here. Oysters on ice, crabs, mussels and prawns. There's this western soup cream broccoli today, cheese platter, salted breads. This is the Indian section. You have chapati here, fritters, some breads, and this is chicken tandoori and roti canai. Some papadums here, condiments. So you have tamari rice or tomato rice and dal, gobi korma, vegan dal, mushroom masala. Then you have fish curry, masala, lamb, paratha, few chicken puff and wok fried noodle, fried rice with yam, yimin, and the gravy. And this is prawn tail seafood cheese roll and deep fried dim sum. The noodle section, soup of curry, chicken soup, spicy chicken soup, curry and creamy seafood soup. Okay, now I show you all this nice soup. Thank you. The live pasta section. So cool, right? So cool. Lasagna, sauteed vegetables, and roasted chicken, baked fish, vegetables, teppanyaki, Chinese garlic fried rice, the tempura station, the Japanese tempura station. Wow, look at this. Tempura sauce, the miso broth. This is the Japanese section here. All the sushis, well prepared, so assorted. Dishes here: mixed vegetable and tofu, deep fried butter prawn, braised chicken, and stir fried mixed vegetables, black mussels, beef, chicken, kuzi, raisins, and ketchup. This is lovely cheesecake, and tarts, mocha cake. Really nice selection of desserts here. Wow, big strawberry mousse cake, citrus poppy seed cake, chocolate cake, and raspberry tart, and waffle. This is the waffle station. Wow, interesting. So this is the overall ambience. Very nice ambience here. I'm gonna start my buffet lunch now. I'm so excited.